So the thing with Jannah is we're going to experience some things that we've never experienced before, which are going to extend our appetite, and then we'll want something new. The levels of things that we're going to have in Jannah are in reality mazid. They're above and beyond our imagination. Similarly, Allah says in Surah Fussilat, He says, وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَشْتَهِي أَنفُسُكُمْ. In it, you will have whatever your own selves desire. Then He says, وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَدَّعُونَ, which is really cool. He says, and you will also have whatever you demand. He made a distinction, whatever you desire and whatever you demand. Why make that separation? Because whatever I desire is already here now. Like my desires already exist. Then I'll have whatever I desire. But once I have what I desire, I'm going to see new things I've never seen before, and I'm going to demand those. At the end of that, He says, وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَا تَدَّعُونَ نُزُلًا مِنْ غَفُورٍ رَحِيمٍ. What was nuzul? Just the appetizer. So whatever you desire, and whatever new demands you even make, all of that is just nuzul. With that in mind, when we study Jannah in the Quran, we're actually studying the nuzul of Jannah in the Quran. This is just the lobby of Jannah. We haven't actually started the cruise yet. The real ride is beyond what the Prophet ﷺ described as مَا لَا عَيْنٌ رَأَتْ وَلَا أُذُنٌ سَمِعَتْ وَمَا خَطَرَ عَلَى قَلْبِ بَشَرٍ. What no eye has ever seen, what no ear has ever heard, what never fell upon the imagination of any heart.